Okay, so for lesson 6, March 25th, independent work, this is in your classwork. You click classwork in your class. I'm using 704 as an example. It is under the Unit 4 standards, so you're going to click independent work. It's going to open up a Google document just for you with your name attached to it. You're going to do vocabulary practice. I'm checking to see if you're paying attention to the lesson. I'm asking you how Google Classroom check-in is going. And then you're going to do the following work based on this reading. It's in the materials section of Google Classwork. So you would go back to the Unit 4 standards. It's the book. Click the PDF. And what I would do if I were you, I would have both tabs open. So I would make a different window. See how I just pulled that off? Uh-oh. Yes, I want them together so that you could do the work on one side and read on the other, okay? So then you're going to go through multiple choice. Each question is about a different standard because we're working on, I want you to practice each standard. So 7.1, number 2 is about 7.5, another one about 7.1, this one 7.1, 7.3, 7.6. That's multiple choice based on this PDF, informational text. Then you're going to practice 7.8, which is using 2 different sources that look really different, but they're on the same topic. So this is the informational reading, and then you click here for a infographic. So you go through here, you click the little buttons, it teaches you different things, it's interactive, it's all about the redwoods, which is what this one was about too. How is it different from the information text? How is it similar? Which text is better at teaching about the redwood forest and why? Jot down 3 things you learned from the infographic that the informational reading text did not tell you, okay? Then explain how a redwood tree creates new trees. Use 2 pieces of evidence. You can use evidence from here and here. Bonus if you do both. Why are redwood trees called the trees of mystery? Here's a hint. Go to the bottom of this page. You're going to use the RACECES practice again. So if I wanted to restate my answer here, explain how a redwood tree creates new tree. A redwood tree creates new trees by, and then I type my answer. In the second part of the infographic, it tells me in the 3rd paragraph of the world's tallest trees, it says, okay, don't forget your quotation marks. This means this shows. And don't forget to explain. I'm going to go through all of your work this week, and I'm going to be writing notes, and this is out of 30 points. I can write comments by clicking this button here, and they will show up over here, okay? I'm not giving that much work this week because I'm going to be combing through this and making sure you're answering every single little thing to make sure we're not just turning in blank things. So make sure you're doing everything to fidelity and to fruition.